Good old Ma there, look at him with his good old bees cleaning up house. You got some good, oh look, they're dragging out a drone. Get out, drone. We don't need you no more. Bye bye. You're kicking out drones, Marlon. So we got some strong hives this time, right? TreasureFam dudes. Marlon, you're going good. That one's got no stickers on it no more. They probably didn't have anyway. The collective treasure hunting fam, that's a full hive. You got Joker's magnet and treasure charger. Their hive, you were slow off the start, but now look at you, you're filling up 2 supers. Obviously, oh shit, that one's trying to sting me in the head. Tripwire's gone gangbusters this time. Let's see. The hives are on it. Oh, they're all on me now. They ain't happy with Marky. We got obviously Marlon and Aurora hive here, which was a bit slow, but now they're on the go. Tripwire, you're just on it, mate. Corey's treasure hunter. Marty's nuts about digging, and A&M prospecting hive is doing banging and all. It's on 3 supers. I think that's why the bees are pissed off with me. I've killed some of their best friends by accident. I've not got a cap on and they can sting me in this bee hat. Happy days.